Hi everyone. I am the substitute voice of Silva, but no worries, we will be back soon. For now, let's start. Today's video is about the health benefits of dates. Dates are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed for centuries. In this video, we will be discussing the various health benefits of consuming dates and how they can improve your overall health and well-being. So, let's get started. Dates are packed with a variety of essential nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. They are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B6, and potassium. They also contain important antioxidants that can help to protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Dates are also known to be beneficial for digestion. They are high in fiber, which can help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. They also contain natural sugars that can help to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in the digestion process. Dates are a great natural source of energy. They contain natural sugars that can provide a quick boost of energy to help you through the day. They are also a good source of carbohydrates, which are necessary for maintaining healthy energy levels. Dates have also been found to be beneficial for heart health. They contain potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. They also contain antioxidants that can help to protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. In conclusion, dates are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can provide a variety of health benefits. They are rich in nutrients, good for digestion, boost energy and good for heart health. So, next time you are looking for a healthy snack, reach for some dates. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Please keep in mind that this video is not intended as substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Follow us for more at The Food Glossary.